This is the trending review for Tuesday, the 12th of December 2023. And it was an interesting day on Nvidia. I didn't expect it to reverse all of the price action from yesterday. So it's been interesting to see the trending days in a row where we trended yesterday, although with a double trend pullback. And today we just got out of the gate and just pushed the price higher with the open pretty much being the low of the day. And I almost took the trade, but I was I was intending on taking it after the 2 minute breakout, but you can see here the jump. It was too wild on the spread, so it ended up being a nice breakout, and I wanted to take that trade, but I hesitated, and you can see that cost me. So I missed out on this move. Uh, and on the 5 minute, it's not too wide for me to think it's a wide initial balance, especially with the behavior of the 2 minute candle. So this developed into a nice trending day, and we kind of set value here, but at the close we push higher, and so that's the market structure at trending day with a buy on every pullback. It was very aggressive at the beginning, and then we kind of taper off. But after the miss move, I tried to play a reverse on the 2 minutes after we tried to poke through the a previous day level here. And on R3, it was a bit of a late entry as well, but you can see I immediately got stopped out here. And I forgot that I had to start controlling for losses. So this became a very big loss. And yeah, so you got stopped out here. We ended up forming a doji after trying to push higher here. And so I took another trade at the doji, again late, and due to fear of missing out, we actually moved 2 to 1 here. DV for 70 to 30. Yeah, we moved 2 to 1, but I got stopped out again. And this was just another attempt at squeezing out short sellers, because as you can see, once we formed this hammer, that was a good entry that I had. So these two were silly trades. This one can be forgiven. So if I had control for losses, it will be just a 2 to 1 loss. And on this one here, I could have avoided it, but still control for losses, and end the day at and probably just end the day at 2 losses. But this nice hammer signal a really nice entry, so I shouldn't have jumped the gun so fast. But at this moment, the level 2 coordinated, and we had some good orders at 469, which we went for them. So after I had this entry, I partial one through my position here, and then so forth and so forth until I ran out of shares. So this was a really good trade. I might have been able to squeeze more out of it, but so far I'm taking a third of my position out at 3 to 1. So not too bad of a day. If I had control my losses, I would have ended up at 3R for the day. So I'm gonna start controlling for losses to start measuring results better. But I did fulfill my mission of making an entry right on time. So it's a good day despite the losses. Had an excellent market prep. Pull the trigger on signal. Had plan B. I did hit goal. It was 3 trades that were taken. Only worked. The other one didn't. But I executed 2 out of 3, so that's 66%. Which is also it's not the best. This is okay. This was not so good, but it's okay. if I had accounted for those for the losses, if I had become a little bit more strict when it came to losses, I will have been able uh, to prevent so much bleeding and have a profitable day. Because as you can see, I was hunting down for this move, and I knew we were not going to cross the gray area because we had such a bullish day today. So the market structure is helping us more or less calibrate the way we profit take and when we want to make our entries. So it's unfortunate that I missed the first entry, but that's it for my daily review. I think one more week of this, and I can start measuring progress again.